Hey fam, Aaliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be showing you guys my lazy day makeup routine. This is kind of like the makeup I wear on the weekends, when I go to brunch, when I go day shopping, when I go on a date with my mans. Because you know, at the end of the week, I'm tired. I don't feel like putting on foundation and concealer and powder and contour and highlight and blush and eyeshadow and full beat brows, okay? I just don't feel like doing all that, okay? Because I grinded all week to film content for you guys, and you know, I'm tired by Saturday. Actually, by Thursday, I'm tired, but you know, by Saturday, I still have to be present in, you know, the important people in my life. You know, I got to be present for them, and I got to look good. So this is like my put together look. It's very simple, very natural. I don't use any foundation, any concealer. We are letting our real skin shine through. So without further congé, if you are interested in my lazy day makeup routine, that's cute for brunch, it's cute for day dates, okay? It's cute to look presentable in, then stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so first things first, my outfit gotta be swaggy, okay? I already showed this outfit in my go-to outfits lookbook that I uploaded onto my channel. That was my first ever lookbook, my first ever fashion video, so go check that out. If I'm going to have minimal makeup, okay, my outfit gotta be on point. My outfit doesn't have to be on point when my face is beat, if you feel what I'm saying. You know, you can get away with a bummy outfit when your face is beat, but you can't really get away with a bummy outfit when your face is bare, you know? Like, it has to be one or the other. Like, it can't be both. So, you know, I put together this low number. I got this from the thrift store. So I'm gonna take this Derma E Purifying Toner Mist with marine algae and green tea. I really love this stuff. I've rebought this like 3 times. And I'm just going to mist my face with it. They say it's toner mist, but this stuff is so hydrating. Like, okay, I'm just gonna let that soak in. And I'm also gonna be trying this new product. It's by Skin Iceland. It is their solutions for stressed skin. It is their Arctic face oil with 99.9% camelina oil, I think. Yes, anyways, we're just gonna try her out. I got this in the mail. We're just gonna dibble and dabble into some new skincare. I think it's really dope that skincare companies reach out to your girl. They reach out to your girl. Anyways, I've never heard of camelina oil, but we're just gonna try her out. I'm just gonna take a dot, okay? When I don't wear too much makeup, I like my skin to be super glowy, because I'm not going to be applying foundation or concealer or any of that. My flaws are just gonna show through, but because my flaws are showing through, I still want my skin to have a hydrated, supple appearance. I just love this sort of glowy appearance of the skin. It's just so beautiful. Okay, next I want to do my brows. I've really been loving Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil. I got this shade 4. You guys have seen me use it if you pay attention to my Instagram page where I entered their brow search contest. So I just really like a very natural hair stroked brow style. So I'm just going to create hair-like strokes with the Precisely My Brow. It's not going to be too intense, because when you don't have any foundation on, a very strong, bold brow just don't look that good. It's not fitting. It's not flattering to the look, okay? So I just do that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up with some concealer. And I'm just going to take this LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige with this Luxie Beauty 211 brush, and we're just going to clean up the brows. Alright, and I'm just taking the Luxie Beauty 231 and patting this concealer in. Okay, see how she's very just natural and enhanced? I love it. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and take the Benefit 3D Brow Tones, but I'm just going to like brush my brow hairs a little downwards. But anyways, she real cute. Let me go ahead and do the other brow. Okay, this next step may not be for everybody. If you love mascara and mascara is just something you can wear alone, girl, go ahead and do you. So I am going to go ahead and apply some false lashes, but I'm going to apply one with a thin band. These are by Dodo Lashes. They're in the shade D10. I keep saying shade, you guys. They're in the style D105. I really like these because the band is thin and they're very wispy and they're very flattering to the eyes because they have an intense curl to them. Like they curl up. I love these lashes. And I just feel more put together when I have on a false lash. You know, they just do it for me. But before I do that, I am just going to quickly apply some mascara. And this is the Total Temptation Mascara by Maybelline. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply these falsies. Listen, if you're going to apply falsies with no makeup on, you just have to make sure you get the band as close to the lash line as possible. And even sometimes I make this mistake, girl. I'm not exempt. But like thick lash bands just don't look good when you don't have any other makeup on. So I really try to just go for a thin band and then press it as close to my lash line as possible. Because girl, okay, lashes are on. Just gotta make sure we push these suckers up. I like these lashes because they low-key look like, what do you call those? Eyelash extensions. I know I will never get those because I already know myself and I will pick them all off. Okay, so they just lift up the eyes. They make me look flirty or make my eyes look flirty, and I just like this look, okay? I like it as opposed to mascara. Okay, the next steps are just very easy. You know, I'm a very simple girl besides the lash. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this Omrizy highlighter. When I have foundation on, this highlighter is a little too light for me. So that's why you see me mix it with my Maybelline and my ColourPop. But when I don't have any face makeup on, it's good. I'm just going to apply it to the high points of my face with this Moda Highlight and Glow brush. Just a tad. I'm not going to overdo it, because my face is already glowy. I just want to enhance the high points. And as you can see, girl, I got a pimple here, mark there, pimples all in my nose. I got a pimple here. See, we're just gonna let them show. Who cares? I really don't care that my pimples show truly. I'm not really trying to cover them things up. This highlight just melts right into your skin. Oh my gosh, I need to shave my upper lip, you guys. My peach fuzz is saying hello. Yep, you just saw me shave my peach. We're family now. We're practically sisters, truly. I still just like to enhance the tip of my nose, the upper bridge of my nose. It's a Real Techniques base shadow brush. If you are new to the homegirl family, Cupid's bow. Not too much though. Well, shit, it's too late. And also my brow bones. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and take the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte powder. I really like this powder. It's so perfect. It doesn't even leave a powder residue. Your face doesn't look powdery at all. It's like blotting powder. Literally, it's so good. Okay, I'm going to take this Laura Mercier little velour puff. I'm just going to dip a little bit into the powder. And I'm just going to, you know, dab my forehead a little bit. My cheeks area, like right here. To mattify that just a tad, just the sides of my nose a little bit. Just so we don't completely look like a grease ball, you know, just a little bit under like this part of my eye too. This powder is perfect. I love it. People need to talk about it more because it's so good. Well, I mean, I guess I could talk about it more. You know. Last thing, I'm just going to apply some blush. This is MAC's Peach Twist blush. I'm going to take this Morphe M436 brush. I'm going to apply it like right, not directly on the apples of my cheeks, because sometimes that looks a little weird on me. Ooh, I put a little bit too much. Darn it. Okay, let's reverse. It looks good right here, but not from the front. Okay. And lastly, let's apply some gloss. I'm going to be applying the Fenty Beauty gloss in the shade Spacesuit. This is like the perfect color. Like, I should have bought more of these. Okay, you guys, this completes my lazy day makeup routine for the weekends at the end of the week because we had a long week filming, girl, and I don't feel like doing that full beat, that full foundation, concealer, powder, contour, eyeshadow, intense, brows. We don't feel like doing that. So this is my complete lazy day makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. It helps support my channel. What do you guys wear on your lazy day makeup days? You know, what do you wear? Do you guys put on lashes or no? I know lashes just aren't for everybody. They just don't fit into everybody's schedule. But let me know. Let your girl know what your lazy day makeup routine is like. Do you feel comfortable letting your pimples show? Do you feel comfortable letting your flaws show? Let me know. Before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Shannon Carter. Thank you so much, Shannon, for having my post notifications on. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you commenting. I love you so much, girl. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, be sure first to make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Tap that bell, go to options, and make sure you have all of my notifications checked, including my creator posts, because sometimes I do post in the community tab on my channel to let you guys know what videos you want to see and stuff of that nature. So be sure those are checked. Hashtag notification gang or notification squad after your comment. I love you guys so much, and until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.